Describe a meal that you enjoy eating in a restaurant. The meal left me indelible impression occurred some years ago. The restaurant were overlooked Hogum Lake. It was decorated with between traditional and modern French architecture. The meals were prepared by professional cook. They brought various kind of foods such as shrimp and crab, some vegetable, especially everyone was satisfied with bún chả with margarine delicious flavor. Some dishes were delicious with the shape of the animal, which gave the meal more attractive. The meal became unforgettable and for us, and had to strengthen our the bond of relation.